We see a lot of these bimetal hole saws still being used in workshops. Now these traditionally were designed for use in wood, but by adding cobalt, these have been made harder, so people now use them for steel. Problem is, they're thin, they don't have very durable teeth, and the pilot drill doesn't come with a spring on them a lot of the time. Now this means that when the operator's drilling through the steel, the pilot drill suddenly goes through and the drill hits the material and bluntens the teeth. Our solution to this is a MagCut TCT hole saw range. This is a thicker drill. It's got tungsten carbide teeth, so they're a lot more durable, and the pilot drill has a spring on it, so that when the operator's drilling through the steel, the pilot drill goes through and then it hits the spring, and the operator can slowly introduce the actual hole saw into the face of the steel. This here gives the operator 4 to 5 times the life and is a much longer lasting, harder wearing hole saw.